In this video, we'll show you how to install Windows 10 without using a Microsoft account. First case, if you are connected to the internet while installing Windows 10 Home Editions. You'll encounter this screen and won't be able to proceed unless you sign in with a Microsoft account. Press Shift plus F10 or Fn plus Shift plus F10 if you're installing on a laptop. A command prompt window will open. Press Alt plus Tab to switch to the command prompt window. To continue, you need to disconnect from the internet. You can either unplug the Ethernet cable or run the following command to disconnect from the internet. In case you have connected to a Wi-Fi network when installing Windows 10. You can use the netsh command to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network. Now, press the back button. As you can see, you now have the option to install Windows 10 Home using a local account instead of a Microsoft account. Second case, if there is no internet connection during the installation process for Windows 10 All Editions. When installing Windows without an internet connection, you'll have the option to select I don't have internet. This option allows you to install Windows 10 without requiring a Microsoft account. Third case, when installing Windows 10 Pro or higher editions like Enterprise. During the installation process, you can stay connected to the internet without any issues. As you can see, the computer is connected to the internet. And the Windows edition is Windows 10 Pro. If you choose Setup for personal use, you'll have the option to use an offline account to proceed. If you choose Setup for an organization, you'll have the option to select Domain Join instead to install Windows 10 with a local account. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.